Welcome to Asian Maritime Technological College, known as Amcol, which vision is beyond horizon. The vision of Amcol is to be among the leading world-class maritime institutes and logistics in Asia and beyond. Amcol has four main areas of studies. The first, nautical management. Second, marine engineering. Third, maritime business and logistic management. Fourth, offshore oil and gas. The mission of Amcol is to develop learners effectively to become quality professionals able to work within the country and internationally. Amcol curriculum. Amcol has two main curriculum. The first, vocational education. Under vocational education, we have vocational certificate, mostly for business computer. Second, we have high vocational certificate in logistics management. Under maritime education, we have nautical department, which is a 5 years course. We also have marine engineering department, which is a 5 years course. And lastly, we have maritime business, which is a 4 years course. Under Quality Assurance Management System, QAMS, we have a couple of missions that support us. We have IMO, International Maritime Organization. We have the Thai Marine Department. We also have ISO 9001 and many others who support in the core mission of the college. Amcol is also a member of INCO. Amcol is also collaborated in terms of education with World Maritime University in Sweden. The number of students report in 2013 to 2017. In academic year 2013, Amcol had 358 students. In 2014, Amcol had 592 students. In 2015, Amcol had 621 students. In 2016, Amcol had 537 students. In 2017, Amcol had 618 students. Under the Education Board Management, we have Captain Chelevud Tanzowa, who is a member and also he is the CEO of Bata Group. We have Captain Butalia, who is the Quality Assurance Manager, and also he is now the Director of Maritime Studies. Moreover, in the management team of Amcol, headed by Mr. Naronsak Pansor, he is the Director of Amcol with all competent faculty members. In addition, Amcol is also proud to have a multicultural professionals in our work team. Facilities. Amcol has two main buildings, that is Pacific Building and Atlantic Building, with many classrooms and offices in these buildings. We have a workshop for practical activities for the students. Amcol has a Maritime Simulation Center. The first is Full Mission Bridge Simulator. The second is Full Mission Engine Room Simulator. The next is Liquid Cargo Operation Simulator. The next is ECDIS, Electronic Chart Display and Information System Simulator. The last but not the least is GMDSS Simulator, Global Maritime Distress and Safety System Simulator. The students' dormitory is close to the college. There is also an additional new building. We have swimming pool and other facilities in its premises under construction. These students are the successful product of Amcol, working in prestigious companies. Training. Amcol has Amcol International Maritime Training Center. The vision and the mission is to be the quality maritime education center to provide world-class maritime education training to the seafarers. All Amcol's courses are as per the STCW 2010. The training facilities are very good. They are all available close to the college. We also have great classroom facilities and many others. Research. Amcol is also proud to have a research center, Asian Research and Development Center, R&D. R&D vision and scope of work is to attain research projects, to encourage research in classroom management, to lecturers and educational personnel development. Projects for 2016 in R&D. Asian Research and Development Center projects were occupational standards and professional qualification for navigation of fishing vessel, marine engineering of fishing vessel, and fishing gear.
วิทยาลัยเทคโนโลยี